Most new models use USB-C cables for charging and transferring data. One of the main benefits of this is flexibility when plugging them into devices. This is due to the connector shape, which is small in size and it's reversible. Additionally, it carries significantly more power, quicker in speed, and can adopt new technology features like being a replacement to the 3.5mm audio jack. What more, it's becoming universal within the technology world regardless the brand or OS. If you're needing a high-quality USB-C cable, here are a couple with preferred features and benefits for your compatible devices. The first product on our list is Ugreen USB C Best USB C to aux cable. The Ugreen USB C combines the need to charge and listen to music simultaneously, which is perfect for multitaskers who needs efficiency and speed. Supporting both remote control and microphone use as well, this USB-C cable is great for voice calls as well as virtual conferences due to minimum noise output. Currently, the cable is best compatible with selected Xiaomi and Huawei phones due to OS compatibility. The second product on our list is OnePlus Type-C OTG Cable Best USB-C Adapter for external hard drive. If you constantly transfer important or essential information on external hard drives, then try the OnePlus Type-C OTG cable. This cable allows for easy connection access between USB-C devices and flash drives. It includes a USB stick that is compatible with cameras, mouse receiver, keyboard, game controllers as well as external hard drive. Moreover, other benefits include 5 GB per second syncing. That's equivalent to transferring HD movies in just seconds as well as converting USB-C to USB-A for added convenience. The next product is Intelligent Power Off Type-C USB Cable Best USB-C Cable with LED. This cable claims to charge 4 times faster than normal without overcharging as there's an automatic shut-off function. Apart from that, this cable is compatible with all Type-C port smart devices. Additionally, the built-in LED indicator lets you easily check if your device is fully charged without needing to pick it up. The next product in our list is Choetech USB C Cable Best with 56K resistor suitable for phones like Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The Choetech USB C cable comes with a 56K resistor to guarantee outstanding and reliable conductivity together with stability. Apart from that, it charges devices at high speed, enabling up to 5 GB per second data transfer. This cable is suitable and compatible with selected Samsung and LG phones including the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The next product in our list is Baseus Rapid Series Type-C cable with indicator light Best USB-C cable with charge indicator and light. This Type-C cable is made with and protected by aluminum alloy and nylon braided wire for additional durability. Besides providing efficient transmission and 2A fast charging features that most users love, the USB port emits a soft light glow to easily identify ports in darker settings. The next product in our list is IINE Nintendo Switch Dock and Amp, Charger Extension Type-C Cable Best USB-C Cable for Data Transfer and Switch. Straightforward and simple, the IINE Nintendo Switch Dock and Amp, Charger Extension Type-C cable is compatible with consoles like Nintendo Switch and other Type-C devices as well. It promotes fast charging, so use it for transferring data, video, and songs as well. Also, it dissipates heat rapidly, preventing any screen protector from bubbling up and shedding. The next product is Anker Powerline II 3-in-1 USB cable 3 feet Best USB-C cable for MacBook Pro and Apple TV. Apart from the Type-C USB cable, the Anker Powerline II includes 2 more cables known as Lightning, for Apple products, and micro USB cable. Creating convenience and flexibility for users, this cable claims full certification for total compatibility with any device that uses a Lightning connector. Featuring high-speed charging, this universally compatible cable is great for an all-in-one experience if you use lots of Apple products. The next product is USB Type-C 3.1 to HDMI/VGA Monitor Best USB C cable for monitor use for phones like Samsung Galaxy S8. This USB Type-C 3.1 cable lets you connect to your preferred HDMI/VGA monitor at home or office. With support for Ultra HD 4K resolutions, the cable converter is ideal for creative professionals like designers and video editors. If you're wondering, the cable also works with selected laptops and smart devices like the Samsung Galaxy S8. The next product is Cafele 3-in-1 Fast Charging and Transmission Data LED Cable Best USB C Cable Fast Charging. True to its name, the Cafele 3-in-1 Fast Charging and Transmission Data cable provides quick efficient charging at an affordable price. There are 3 different cables attached together: Lightning, Micro and USB, which is compatible with most devices including iPhones. With that, users can charge and transmit data simultaneously, which saves time. A great investment for those who are on the go, want something speedy, multifunctional, simple and portable. Do you think this list makes sense? Leave a comment for us. You can find the product link in the video description. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest reviews.